Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ethiopian yogurt. This traditional method yields a delicious, tangy, and thick yogurt, perfect for many dishes. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: fresh whole milk and a small amount of live culture yogurt. The process is straightforward, but attention to detail ensures a successful batch every time. Let's get started on this culinary journey. First, we need to prepare our milk. Take about 1 liter of fresh whole milk and gently heat it on the stove top. Bring the temperature up to between 180 and 190 degrees Fahrenheit, holding it there for 10 to 15 minutes. This step is crucial for sterilizing the milk and creating the ideal environment for our good bacteria. After heating, let it cool down to a lukewarm 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the magic. Once your milk is lukewarm, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your plain, live culture yogurt. Stir it in gently to ensure the starter culture is well distributed. Then, pour this mixture into a clean, airtight container. Find a warm place, ideally between 95 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it incubate undisturbed for 6 to 12 hours. Patience is key here for a perfectly set yogurt. After its incubation period, your Ethiopian yogurt should be beautifully thick and tangy. Now, it's time to chill it down. Place the container in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This not only stops the fermentation, but also helps the yogurt achieve its final, firm consistency. Your homemade Ethiopian yogurt is now ready to be enjoyed. It's wonderful on its own, with a drizzle of honey, or as a versatile ingredient in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.